Refrigeration, air conditioning, and heat pump systems are widely used in industrial production, biopharmaceuticals, food processing, household comfort, and other fields. However, compressors are the core of these systems. Damen Company is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to develop and manufacture compressors and has been continuously making progress to provide a strong heart for refrigeration, air conditioning, and heat pump systems. Damen's reciprocating compressor has the characteristics of compact structure, high energy and efficiency ratio, and a strong stability. It's widely used in the refrigeration market of China. Damen screw compressor adopts imported screws from Holroyd, UK with 5 to 6 profile and a specially designed exhaust check valve which could achieve the anti-reverse time within 1 second. Also, Damen's screw compressor has the characteristics of low vibration and noise, high energy and efficiency ratio, and strong stability. Both axial and radial compliant screw guarantees its sealing and reliability, which makes Damen becoming one of the high-tech companies in China. Damen adheres to the concept of pursuing excellence and creating perfection, and established 3 core values based on quality, efficiency, and innovation. Quality is the cornerstone of the enterprise. Damen has introduced advanced equipment such as Japanese-made CNC machine centers and German-made 3-coordinate detectors, and has established a stable partnership with qualified parts suppliers by keeping strict standards of designing, processing, assembling, and testing. Damen is determined to manufacture high-quality compressors. Efficiency is the competitiveness of the enterprise. Damen introduced advanced facilities such as semi-automatic reciprocating compressor assembly line, consistent temperature and dust-free screw compressor assembly line, full servo compliance intelligent screw compressor assembly line, and MES management system to carry out intelligence reformation projects which achieved the function of material and equipment management, real-time presentation of production process data, and information sharing of different departments. Damen has completed the digital transformation and upgrading of the manufacturing industry, which has been highly praised by the China Economic Times, People's Daily, and other media. Innovation is the driving force of the enterprise. Damen gives priority to talents cultivation and products updating. Continuously introduce talents in R&D, production, engineering, etc. Set up compressor and refrigeration equipment laboratories, and put a large investment in screw compressors and screw compressors R&D, while its reciprocating compressor is at the forefront of domestic market, and continue to expand its product line. Now, Damen has become an enterprise able to massively produce 3 types of compressors and widely approved. Damen has successfully obtained famous brand and leading brand awards of the China Polar Bear Award, and established partnership with many well-known brands worldwide. Damen's products were widely used by many large-scale projects, such as the Chongqing One Belt One Road project, the 200,000 employee cold chain food security project, the Hubei Yichang Customs cold chain turnover project. Damen's products have also been exported to Russia, Kuwait, Indonesia, Malaysia, South Africa, the Middle East, and many other regions to support their industry, agriculture, and commerce. The 3 generations of the founder never forgotten their original aspirations and have been worked tirelessly for 40 years, with the goal of building a reputed national brand and establishing a century enterprise. The enterprise will continue to work hard and strive for excellence, and move towards a more glorious, intelligent manufacturing in China. Damen.